Christian here, and hard to believe we are already at the end of the videos I filmed when I was out west in Colorado and Wyoming, which brings us to today's video of the Laramie Railroad Depot. Located in Laramie, Wyoming, right next to the Laramie Union Pacific Yard on the Transcon route, which was formerly the Overland route. The Laramie Railroad Depot was built in 1924 to replace the town's original Union Pacific Depot Hotel, which was destroyed by a fire in 1917. The depot was closed the day we went, which was fine, although someday I would like to come back and go inside the depot to see all that is there. But located right outside of the depot and the Railroad Heritage Park is the Caboose 25232, a bunk car, Union Pacific 535, and Snowplow 900,015. The main reason for why I wanted to stop here at the depot was the Union Pacific 535. 535 is a consolidation 280 type steam locomotive originally built as 975 for the Union Pacific subsidiary Burham, Williams and Company, and was built by the Baldwin Locomotive Works. It last was fired up and operated in the Laramie area in 1957 and was finally retired in 1958. It was donated to the city of Laramie in 1959. It was moved to its current location in February of 2011. Hope you all enjoy this real quick video from my stop in Laramie.